Button sorting. This activity helps your child build strong, coordinated fingers while sharpening their visual sorting skills, perfect for dressing and school tasks. Let your child use their thumb and index fingers to pick up buttons and sort them by size, shape or color into small cups or sections. Start with larger buttons or flatter trays. Support the sorting tray with your hand if your child has trouble stabilizing it. As a challenge, ask your child to drop each button through a slot box or try threading buttons onto a button snake made from ribbon and felt. If your child avoids small textures, start with foam shapes or large plastic tokens, then work towards buttons. Sorting activities double up as a focus builder, great for calming and organizing the brain. This skill helps with buttoning clothes, opening snack packs, and organizing classroom tools.